How about this crew, the Lowriders of Kansas City?
These are cars with hydraulic suspensions that allow the ride height of the vehicles to be altered. Lowriders.
Their vehicles, I can feel because of their vehicles bouncing our stage even.
You know, my car does that sometimes, but it wasn't planned.
It's an issue when your car does
we have an
that.
issue. These plan it, and they look great. They are classics. The Lowriders of Kansas City.
So you've got different car clubs that are involved. This is hilarious. You've got Citywide, Royals, Twisted Individuals, all sorts of folks. This is a club. This is a club. This is a club.
That's a three-wheeler right there. Look at that.
Wow.
Yeah. Three-wheeling on Broadway in Midtown.
This is kind of what it looks like when I come into work at 3 in the morning sometimes.
When you're running a little late, you pull into the lot on three wheels. I understand.
I will never understand how they're able to build these cars to sustain things like that.
Now, see, that's got one heck of a shock absorber on it to be able to handle that.
I would say so.
Oh, my goodness.
Some of these cars creating their own shenanigans here on Broadway.
I rise to the top. I never eat a pig because a pig is a cop. Or better yet, a Terminator. Like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Trying to play me out like as if my name was Sega. But I ain't going out like no punk bitch. Get used to one style, yo, when I might switch it up and around. Then buck, get down, put out your head and then you wake up in the dawn of the day. I'm coming to get ya. I'm coming to get ya. Spitting out lyrics, homie, I want ya. I came to get down. I came to get down. So get out your seat and jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down.
The bouncier, the better.
Yes.
I feel like the riders need, like neck braces to support them as they're bouncing up and down
Helmets.
like that. Yep.
You probably learn how to ride with the ride, right?
Right.
Listen, around this town right now and some of the potholes we've seen, I think I've hit that. I think I've been that high up in the air.
You are so right.
That
Coming
is
down
so
here.
true. That's why all that movement looked so familiar.
See? That's what I meant by my car does it. It's not planned, but oops.
That's good, John.